So we're entering the Glasgow City Hall, basically. Council Chambers building. And I want you to notice that mosaic down there. And those mosaics up there. And the poppies. Roll of Honor World War I, Roll of Honor World War II. Willkommen. This is a bust of Nelson Mandela. Oh. Oh, I thought we were getting in line or something. Is that the marble staircase?
Yeah. Go through there on the tour.
Through there, it might be the oldest one in the world. Come into another room, and it has a marble floor and marble pillars. Look up there, right?
This is actually the tallest marble stairwell in Europe as well.
He says it's the tallest marble stairwell in Europe.
Europe, you'll love it.
So now we're at the top of the stairs. In the Hall of Paintings.
Okay, everybody, this is us in the ground floor. This is as far as we go. We go playing carpet. This is known as the Doge Gallery. So every picture, every painting you see in these walls was along those of baths. But before I start talking about all policies, I must talk about Glasgow City Limits. I wasn't alive in the 60s, so I don't